convicción de que la cooperación es el otro nombre de la paz.
In Iran, the cooperative movement and the principles of the cooperative and social economy are well established and widely accepted. In my view, in the new term, with the board of directors to be elected next month, one of the board's main priorities will be to expand the organization's activities at the international level and improve both the scale and quality of its work. As you know, the ICA is an organization with more than 130 years of history. With a broad global membership and a deep presence and influence in many parts of the world. Given this global reach, I believe the ICA needs to play a more prominent role at the international level and serve as a stronger voice for the millions of cooperative members around the world. I will do my best to contribute to this effort and support my colleagues in achieving these goals, so that 4 years from now, we can look back and say that we have achieved a number of important objectives within the ICA. 1. We will significantly strengthen and invest in education and training and provide valuable training programs for cooperatives around the world. 2. We will build a large network of cooperatives that will enable them to interact, collaborate, and trade with one another. And 3. Over the course of these 4 years, we want to engage a large number of young people in cooperatives across the world. We want to bring the energy, creativity, and potential of a new generation into the cooperative movement, because young people can play a vital role in securing the future of cooperatives.